Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Guns and Outdoors. Today we're going to be looking at the Glock 21. This is in 45 ACP. She is clear. Now this one's had some stippling done on it, as you can tell. Got some good looking white dot sights on there. And of course it's in my favorite caliber. Well, second favorite caliber. 50 is my favorite. The 45 for carry is the way I roll. Not going to break it down or anything. Probably 99.9% of y'all out there know how to break down a Glock. If not, I've got several videos on them that you can reference to. But this video here is just about getting this thing out and shooting it. And I want to throw a thanks out to Hootie Hoo for the loan. This, a lot of times he'll use as his daily carry. So he trusts this pistol, and I've shot it a little bit, but today I'm really going to run some rounds through it and see what I think. And we're going to be shooting some reloads, just basic, what I call range ammo. This right here was sent to us, well actually brought to us. Rusty, the main man channel, he brought this stuff up to us and said, here guys, I got some 45, y'all gonna have some fun. So y'all throw Rusty down a big thanks, as well as Hootie Hoo, and you get a chance, run over and check out their channels, and if you like them, throw them a like and subscribe, much appreciated. Well, let's get this thing loaded up and get to shooting. Alright, there's enough to get us started. I didn't even count them. I think I put 10 or 11 in there. Well, let's grab our ears and sort of get used to it. We'll go out here and just pop a little bit of steel, and then we'll take it to the paper target. Alright, let's see what we can do with this thing. Like I say, y'all know me and Glocks. I'm not a super fan. Just feels real bulky in my hand. But let's just give her a try, see if we can hit anything. Cycled all them reloads fine. Once I got used to where my hold was, I did hit. See if I can hit a little further out before we go to the paper. We've got that made target, that big yellow one out there. I'd like to pop it a time or two. Then see if I can hit that Primo silhouette. There's 4 of them. That'll give us 2 chances on each. Alright, let's see if we can stretch it out there. That's, what, 50 yards? And then the orange ones, the Primos, are at 55. Let's do our made target first. Yeah, I'm chambered. Yeah, popped her twice. Now for the hard one. That Primo up there on the left at 55. Can't beat that. I'm going to push my luck and try to hit that Primo on the right. A little round one. Didn't hit it, but I think I scared it. Still, that's good to be able to reach out there with an average handgun at 55 yards and tap stuff. Alright, let's do us a little 4-shot group on our shoot and see target there. New things are coming in just handy dandy. We gotta throw a big Tim and thanks for them. Alright, there's 4 of them. We're gonna go for the top right bottom target, but the top right little bullseye piece. Not too shabby. But imagine me be able to hit something with a Glock. Well, I mean, so far so good. It is clear. This little thing is running without no trouble, especially with the reloads. You know, you expect to have a little bit of trouble out of some lower cost ammunition. So far, this stuff here has been a real trooper. So, let's finish this up in normal heavy metal fashion with a rapid fire. There's 8 of them. Let's rock and roll it. I like it. Guys, there you go. It run what I put through it. It hit what I aimed at. We are clear. Little gun rock and rolled for us. Not too bad. And like I say, y'all know I'm not a Glock fan. Guns feel like a 2x4 in my hand. But they shoot. Accuracy is there. No, I would not carry one. But as far as bringing them out to the range and shooting them, they are fun and they do well. So what more can you ask for? Well, everyone, thanks for watching that. Hope you enjoyed it. Little old Glock 21 45 ACP done great for us. Well, if you would, throw me down some comments, questions, suggestions. Always appreciate it. If you're able, hit us up on our Patreon. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.